Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I'm going to be cooking, or actually roasting, some vegetables in the oven to go with some sandwiches that we're grilling. And I just wanted to share with you one of the ways that I roast vegetables. So I went ahead and I prepared everything out here before you guys joined me. And I have about 2 medium potatoes here that I peeled and I chopped up into pieces like this. The main thing when you're roasting vegetables is you want to kind of try and keep the vegetables about the same size. And the reason for that is so that they cook evenly. I have 2 cups approximately of cauliflower. I do have some of the pieces bigger than the potato, but these cook quicker. So you can do that. And then I have cabbage that I cut up, and about 2 cups of that, and that's about the size that I cut for that. And then I have 1 medium onion, and that's about the size that I cut for that. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of this to my pan. And I usually use a cast iron pan or a sheet pan, either one. Just depends on how many vegetables you're going to be cooking. There's so many vegetables that you can roast. And this is what I had on hand today that I thought would be good and also that I could use up. So I just kind of spread them out. And all these vegetables go really well together, so this is going to be delicious. There we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my olive oil. And I don't use extra virgin for this. I use the second or third pressing of olive oil. This is primarily used for like sauteing, grilling, or whatever. It has a higher burn point. And that's why I use that versus the extra virgin. And I'm just going to go ahead and swirl this over. And I'm going to probably do 2 to 3 tablespoons of this. A few swirls around. And then I also use seasoning salt. And this one is actually from Aldi. And I have found that it's very good for stuff like this. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some of this on. Probably about a teaspoon to start with. Because when these vegetables start caramelizing on their own, they're going to be bringing up their own flavors. So you really don't need to add a whole lot of seasonings. And I'm going to just lightly sprinkle on some black ground pepper. That's all there is to it. And I'm going to just kind of stir it up a little here so that the veggies can kind of get covered with olive oil. And then as this is cooking, I will go back after about 20 minutes or so and check on it, and as it starts to brown, I will start stirring it more. I have my oven preheated to 425 degrees. And this will take half hour to 45 minutes to do, but it will be delicious. So anyway, I'll be back with you in about a half an hour so you can see. Hi, well, I just pulled this out of the oven and I wanted to show you what it looks like about halfway through. See how things are starting to brown on top? Let's turn it over and we'll see what it looks like underneath. It's probably not browned yet because there's, drippings that are coming out of the vegetables like the potatoes and stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and turn them so that everything on top isn't browning too quickly. And then we'll put it back in the oven. And I would say probably in about 25 minutes this will be done. But doesn't that look delicious?
Looks good, Miss Glow.
Yeah, it looks really good. And it's really starting to smell good too. So we'll be back in about 25 minutes and I'll be able to show you what it looks like at the end. Hi, well, welcome back. I just took my roasted vegetables out of the oven, and do they ever smell good? See how pretty they are?
They smell what good, Miss Glow.
Yep. Wish you guys were here to smell this and taste it. I'll tell you, I love roasted vegetables. It goes well with just about anything. Like I said earlier, we're having it with a grilled sandwich, which I just got done grilling. I made corned beef Reubens, and they are so good. And we did a video of that too, so if you wanted to take a look at that, you could. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just put some of these vegetables on here. Was that enough for you, Richard? to start with?
Yep, should do it.
Okay. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this today. And like I said, I wish you were here to have dinner with us. This just smells delicious. So I hope you have a great evening. Bye.